Hi, I want to buy a car. Can you help me?
Of course. What kind of car do you want?
I need a small car, something good for the city.
Okay. Do you have a budget?
Yes, I want to spend about $15,000.
Perfect. I have two good options for you. This blue one is 12,000. The red one is 14,000.
I like the blue one. Is it new?
Yes, it is. It has air conditioning and 4 doors.
Great. What about the gas? Is it expensive to drive?
No, it uses very little gas. It is very economic.
Can I test drive it?
Yes, of course. Here are the keys.
Wonderful. I really like this car. I want to buy it.
Excellent choice. Let's go inside and sign the papers.
How long does it take?
Only 30 minutes. I will help you with everything.
Thank you, Mary. You are very helpful.
My pleasure. Welcome to your new car.